My goodness, do you hear that sound? That's the sound of happiness.
Hi there, this is Helen and thank you so much for visiting Modern Pepper. So you're wondering, what is my channel all about? Well, my channel is about teaching you how to make Korean food and demystifying any ambiguity when it comes to making Korean cuisines altogether, because my recipes are tested with precise measurements of ingredients as well as written directions on the recipe instructions. So my channel is not just a food show where you just watch and drool and that's it. No, you get to watch and drool and make the recipe at home, because my goal again is to make sure that you continue the love of Korean cuisines and be able to make it at home for yourself, for your friends, and for your family. I hope to cook with you soon, and I hope you subscribe to my channel, because every Thursday is a day that we could connect and cook together. So thanks again for visiting my channel. Bye now.
My goodness, can you hear the sound of happiness in this pot? Mmm.